Hey, so if you're like me, when you first started playing, your left hand was just kind of dormant, right? It's just sitting there. So I'm gonna give you what I learned at a young age to really help build the vocabulary in your left hand. Here we go.
Presenting Rico Anthony Enterprises, offering music coaching, leadership, teaching, motivational speaking, consulting, one-on-one piano lessons, and so much more. You can search on all social media platforms Rico Anthony Enterprises, or you can visit www.ricoanthony.net.
So a power chord is made up of the 1, the 5, and the 1. Of course, I'm in the key of C, so I have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And the reason that they work is because if I'm playing a C major chord, the one thing that's constant is that C and the G. All right. If I'm playing a minor chord, the one thing that's constant is the C and the G. All right. So whether I'm playing this chord or that chord, I don't have to move my hand. I don't have to move my left hand at all. So what I do is I learn all of my power chords in all 12 keys. I know they'll tell you sometimes, oh, just play the last 2 notes and that of the chord. So if you're playing E, G, C, then just play C and G in your left hand, and that works. But sometimes when you're on the fly, you don't really have time to think about, oh, what are the last 2 notes, or I'm not really familiar with playing the whole chord in my left hand. So just to even build that muscle memory up in your left hand, start with the 1-5-1 method, and I'm going to take you through all of these, and I want you to tell me how that's working out for you. So we're going to do 1, 5, 1. 1, 5, 1. 1, 5, 1. 1. C. So no matter what I play, I'm gonna keep that 1-5. I'm gonna keep that 1-5-1 there, and I'm gonna kind of arpeggiate. All right. Now I went to the 5. So if I go to the 5, I don't have to stay on that C. I can do what I would have done on my bass, but I just add the 1, 5, and then the 1. Now I'm going to the 7, right? My 7 is B. So I'm 1, 5, add the 1 again. I'm going to do A minor chord just so you can see what I'm saying. Hit it together, or you can arpeggiate. You can hit it together, or you can arpeggiate it. All right. Now I'm going to go to the 3. I'm going to do a F diminished 7 chord, but I'm going to go to the 3 in my left. Left hand is really what I'm concerned about. Right? So any chord that I play, I don't care what it is. If I play any chord that I play, I can play a 1-5-1 if I'm not sure what to do with my left hand. 1-5-1 is gonna work. All right, because it's not going to take away from the actual chord. All right, that's the best way that I know to start building that left hand from scratch. All right, have a good day.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.